new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. In this video, I am quickly going to show you one of my secret tools. This is so handy for me when I'm trading. I always tell people that I trade higher time frames. So how do I keep track of my trades when I am away from the charts? And I think this app can also assist you if you are away from your charts, so that you don't constantly have to go into your MetaTrader to see what's going on. Sometimes you are focused on studying and stuff like that, so you don't have time to always be looking into your phone or looking into your laptop. So how do I do it? I found this app called Trader Assistant. That's what it does. By the way, I am not in any way related to the guys who developed this app. So if you have any problems with it, try and address them with the guys who developed it. I've no connection whatsoever with the guys who developed this app. I'm just sharing it with you guys because it's something that has worked for me. So I'm hoping that it also works for you. So don't crucify me. Okay, so what do I do with this app? Simply you set alerts. What you want to do is to set alerts for when prices, for example, you are trading GBP USD, or you are trading gold, or you are trading NAS 100, whatever you are trading, you want to set alerts for certain levels. After doing your analysis, then you come to this app and then you can set alerts for when price reaches those certain levels. Then you, whilst you go about and doing other things, if price happens to reach that level, you get an alarm, an alert, a notification that price has reached this level. Then you can simply go to your to your MT5, MT4, or whatever platform that you use to trade, and see whether you want to close the trade, whether you want to buy, whether you want to sell, or whatever you want to do. So let me just quickly demonstrate how you can do this with this application. So we are in the application, we logged in, and we come here and we go to markets. Now you can see they've got various forex pairs or whatever that people are trading. They've got indices, or you can filter them by only having US indices there, or I think it's US stocks. Yes, this is US stocks. So it works for forex and it works for stock trading. And you can go to European stocks, you can go to those that are on the FTSE, I think, the CME, Hong Kong, Canada. I mean, there is a lot on this app. Then, because my example was on Forex, let's say, for example, we are going to be trading, let's find a random pair. Okay, GBP ZAR, that's the British pound versus South African rand. So what you want to do is, we've clicked it, and we go and set an alert. Now the current price is there. No, the current price, yes, is there. Now during your analysis, you probably found a price level that you want to be notified when to trade this particular pair. So you will simply go in there and you can, maybe let's say 2100 for argument's sake, and when this level is reached, do you want a pause? You want the alert to not go off immediately, or do you want it to go immediately? I'm trying to do this. Okay, that way. So everything, of course, it's explained here. So price is the target price that you want. So price here, you set the target price that you want, and pause in minutes is on default 0 minutes. If value of 0 minutes is set, then the signal will be delivered once achievement of this level. So immediately when we get to 21,000, an alert will go off. Or you can enter a pause in minutes. You want price to reach this level and to play around a bit before you get an alert. So you can determine it in minutes how you want the pause, the notification to come. The term in days is sometimes perhaps you were expecting the level to be reached today, and it doesn't happen, and you want this alert to expire after a few days. Let's say we were hoping it's going to go up, but then instead it goes down. So eventually you just want to cancel the alert. So this term, let's just say, is how long you want the alert to be there on the system. If it goes after a week and nothing happens, you just want the alert to expire. So this is where you set the number of days that you want the alert to be there. Then comment. You can certainly, because you are probably rushing around, you don't want to think too much about what to do. Probably you have this level, you are targeting this level, and you are already in a position. So the comment will just pop up. You probably say close trade. So that is what's going to happen when the alert pops up. It's going to pop up time to close trade, and without wasting your time, you just rush into your MT4, MT5 and just hit close on that GBP trade. And after doing everything, or you can say here it's where you want to open trade. That's where you want to open the trade, or say break even. That's the point where you want to break even. You can do you can put in whatever comment you want, basically what you want to do when price reaches this level. So after that, you simply click on the tick. The alert is set. So we can actually go this way. We can go that way, not that way. We can go this way to see our there is our target prices. So here you can see a list of the alerts that you have that are still active. In the library, you can see the alerts that came and that went away. And you can still come here and edit things. That's the beauty of this thing. And you can still come and put another alert. There is no limit to the alerts that you can put. You can either put several alerts on the same pair, or you can find other pairs to put alerts on. Maybe we want it to come to 8300, and we want, I'm just showing you an example here. We want to close trade. I'm not even in this trade, but anyway, close trade, and that's it. We come here. That's the list of the alerts that we have, and it shows you by what percentage we are still left to reach that level. So in addition to this, you can actually also come to the charts. For example, we have highlighted this, or let me highlight another one, so that let's say AUD USD. We can simply come to that chart, and you can actually see the charts where price is at, and you can actually measure where you want price to be at before you can put your alert. Before you can put your alert like that, you can see we are at 0.718. so instead of analyzing on your computer or on your MT4 MT5, you can simply also open this app, and you simply find price levels that you want to put an alert on. Let's say on that level 0115, if we put an alert on it, you see it's going to want to put at 0715. As simple as that. You don't have to stress about marking these levels. For example, we want an alert on 0.709. when we simply come, it's already there. We just put in a comment. What do we want to do? We want to enter. We want to enter, and we simply done. Target has been added. So this is a very handy tool that I've been using with my trading. This is how I can manage and keep track of what's happening. Of course, here you have got your time frames, and you can choose, it's up to daily actually, and down to M5. But you can choose, you can easily set the alerts. So this is how I actually keep my, there you can set whatever you want. Are you using bars, or are you using the lines? But use this app. Use this app if you are like me. You don't always have time to sit at your charts, and you do not always have time to constantly go onto your MT4 MT5 to check where is price at, where is price at, where is price at, where is the price. You simply need to just use this app. It sets alerts for you when the level has been reached. When the level has been reached, you simply get an alert. We say sell, and you already know that when it reaches that point, you get the alert. It's going to say sell. When price reaches that point, you are going to get a notification to say sell, and you're going to jump in and sell without thinking too much about many other things. So this is how I managed to keep track of what's happening with my trades, what's happening in the market, without even needing to log into MT4, MT5. This is my secret. I hope that it works for you, and give it a try. Again, I am not in any way associated with these guys, and I'm not exactly endorsing them, but I'm just showing you a secret tool that has worked for me. Like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you get notified when we post future videos. Until next time, guys, let's make that money.